Oh, I got a big box and I am excited about this one. This is a vehicle that I have always had my eye on and I never clicked that buy button until Horizon Hobby decided to offer a $100 discount. And so then I went ahead and did it. Let's get it out of this box. Let's check it out. It is the Losi Tenacity DB Pro, one of what I've heard is the best buggies out there, and I have finally got my hand on it. That is a good looking buggy. Controller, bag of instructions. Attached. It was attached at one point. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks so cool. Like I said, this has always been on my list. It's something I wanted to get. I've heard that they were really good buggies all and around. You can convert them over. You can bash them like this. You can kind of get a more truggy style with a bigger tire. You can do a couple modifications to it, take it racing. You can do all those things, and look at what we have here. So we're talking about the scale, the Falcon tires, probably good for just general bashing. We've got adjustable turnbuckles on all corners, aluminum, of course, oil-filled adjustable shocks on all corners. We've got the scale figures in the interior tray here. We've got the light bar that'll light up as we fire everything up. Pre-wired body comes just hinged, so you have easy access to everything. Spectrum Smart ESC in it, paired with their 3100 kV motor. I've heard people running 4S on it. Definitely, it handles 2S very easily. 3S, a lot of folks say you have to change a pinion gear to run 3S so you don't overheat. Obviously, a motor fan would be a really good thing to have here. And look, if you don't want your lights, there's power for your fan right there already. Super convenient. That is good. On-off switch, easily accessed battery tray. It does have the Spectrum S614 servo in it. Yes, just like almost every other Spectrum, that is a 23 tooth horn on there. So when you do go to upgrade, not if unfortunately, but when, you have to get a different servo horn to go with it. Also, Spectrum receiver right here on the side. This is the SR6200A. I am very excited to get this thing out, to get it running. It looks like such a good vehicle. Let me get a battery charged and let's check this thing out. The lights are on. I believe it is go time here. In the front yard there, I have a little track laid out that I was just running, and it helps me really understand the handling dynamics of a vehicle. The truth is, that worked pretty well, actually. You know, you can feel the weight on the top with all that body and all that scale detail. You can feel it kind of want to roll over. It's got sway bars on it, but Losi does offer some stiffer, thicker sway bars that might be worth it in the long run. my gosh! Did you see that thing sail? All right, now let me be very clear. I know this thing's not made for that big of a jump. This thing is staggering. It's a desert buggy, supposed to be running around having fun, good handling, not like super crazy basher. But did you just see that? Okay, that body looks so good, but we've got to try a backflip, right? Like it's like I just have to. It's like a rule or something. I have to try a backflip. Oh, nailed it! Oh my gosh! Oh, first run is complete. I'll be honest, I love it. I absolutely love it. It does everything that I think I would want it to do. Very happy with the bashability. It came back full battery pack, and it came back absolutely just in great shape. Couple things to note. Yes, I did drive it on 3S with the included pinion. Yes, in the instructions it tells you to step down a tooth if you're going to use 3S. But I'll be honest, I'm out here driving it and it's literally like 30 degrees, so I'm not super concerned about overheating the motor today on 3S. The other thing is, as veterans will know, included in here are a couple little standoffs and extra long screws. Guess what that solves? That solves the big battery issue. So just right there, already included, those are spacers to help raise up the battery mount. If you're a fan of the channel, you know this is not where this whole thing ends. This is just the beginning. I'm already researching modifications that I want to do to it. I'm already researching other things I want to do. This thing, it's gonna get a skate park trip, whether it likes it or not, whether it's a good idea or not. It's gonna get a skate park trip. The other thing it's gonna get is a day at the track. So I want to get these 12mm hexes. I want to upgrade them to 17. I got some buggy tires to throw on it. Got a couple other tweaks that might help it be a little bit more track oriented. And then I want to take it out there and I want to take it to the track and I want to see just how fast can I go? How good does it do at the track? So I can have kind of a basher and a racer all in one. All sorts of stuff yet to come with this buggy. It is time to get some roadside RC stickers on it though and claim it as official. What do you think? I'm very excited about this buggy. So I'm going to provide you a link down below to where you can get one of these yourself. Please also come over here, check out some other footage that I've already made, previous videos, and we are going to see you in the next one. So thank you for all your support. check out this buggy. It's pretty awesome. And we will see you in the next one. So thank you and goodbye.